I dare you to watch this entire video. No skipping ahead, no pausing, no opening another tab and letting this play in the background. I dare you to sit still and do nothing but watch a single 3-minute internet video.
Well, it's actually gonna be 13 minutes, but it's okay. I don't think I do a horrible job though. Like, look. Like, I can survive like this, right?
Okay.
Hey loves, it's Dakota here and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning subby, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a natural based makeup look, so stay tuned. I don't really do makeup like that, but I was like, why not? It's quarantine. Coronavirus! People are bored, people want to see, you know, whatever, and yeah, I'm just gonna get into this. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe to my channel, and don't look at the pimple. I know you're looking at it, but like, don't. So first I go on with my CeraVe moisturizing lotion. This is literally the only lotion that works for my face because my face is super sensitive and this has no smell to it. So like, I don't know if it's fragrance that my skin reacts with, I don't know what it is, but like this just works. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensation Boosting Serum and it looks like this. And I just put it on before I do my mascara. And then I'm gonna go in with my Tinted Brow Mascara by NYX, and it looks like this. It's in the color black, because like, why would I choose any other color? Before you do that though, I'm gonna brush them. Then I'm gonna go in with my NARS cream concealer, and it is in the color Caramel Medium Dark 2. And I don't really use like a brush to do my concealer, but because I have nails, I'm gonna use literally my knuckle because I don't really use brushes. Like, I don't do my makeup like that. You know what I mean? And boom, your dark circles are gone. Look at that. And I gotta do a little bit down here because I have a little bit of redness. Ooh, I put a lot here. I show this up. Honey, 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 honey. This is why I love this concealer. Who do you know uses their knuckle to put makeup on? Boo-boo! Ow, wait! Okay. See, at this point, I'm getting carried away. Okay, let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Next, I'm gonna do my mascara, and it's from NYX. Again. It's called Worth the Hype, and it's obviously in the color black because that's what I wear. I usually try not to go like to the root of my lashes each time that I do my mascara because like I don't want it to, you know, clog the like the follicles and all that stuff, because you can only clean so much when you're doing your taking off your mascara. So I'll go like root to the end like once, and then I'll just do the ends of the lashes because I'm not trying to be bald lashed out here.
Bald lash. Bald.
Have bald lashes, you know, like no lashes.
Point blank, period.
Like, I'm not trying to do that. So I've never gotten extensions, like lash extensions, and people say, oh my gosh, yeah, you should do it. Like, but I'm also scared that I won't have lashes after. I know people will say, oh, it depends on your lash tech. Like, if your lash tech's a professional, your lashes should be fine and healthy, you know, but like realistically, like, you're putting fake hair and like glue on your lash line. Like, I don't think that's healthy regardless. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, but next I'm gonna be going in with my eyeshadow. Now you can go in with regular eyeshadow, but I'm using my bronzer for this. This is the look that I did in the previous video where I just showed you guys how I style my box braids. So I'm just gonna go in with my NYX California Beamin' bronzer. What did I say before? I think I said something before, but this is bronzer and it's the color Golden State. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna take my eyeshadow brush that I got from Amazon because like I said, I don't really do makeup like that. I'm not trying to spend like, I could spend it, I don't know, maybe one day I'll just go on Sephora or go into Sephora and just buy the whole store, you know, just buy the whole store and try different types of brushes and stuff and see if like there's a difference between, obviously there's gonna be a difference, but like just see how it is, like the professional brushes, you know, for people that use those things, because I don't, and I, you know, maybe I should. I feel like if I knew how to do makeup properly and like, just, you know, like those baddies on Instagram, like their makeup is like literally flawless, and yeah, okay, everyone uses filters and everything, but no, filters can only do so much, and I would love to learn how to do my makeup better than what I do now. Like, I'm over here putting concealer on with my hands. I don't think that's okay. It's coming along. I don't think I do a horrible job though. Like, look. Like I can survive like this, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna do my highlight. Like, as you guys can see, I don't really use foundation when I'm doing my natural makeup look. If I'm going like outside, going to school, I don't usually wear a full face. But anyway, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty highlight, Hustler Baby, which everyone probably talks about, but I literally tried to hop on the wave last minute and just buy it. So I have this, and my lighting just went bonkers, bro. Who says bonkers? Like, this is why I'm not cool. Oh my god, I talk a lot, don't I? I should shut up. Let me just be quiet for the rest of the video. I can't. Okay, don't come for me. Sometimes I feel like I put too much, so let me just not. Once again, I'm using my fingers for this. Like, I don't use tools at all. Okay, I'm just gonna, I feel like people would come for me for this because I can't even see anything. Oh Lord, this is a hot mess right now. My friend, she's like, yeah, you should do a makeup video. But I don't even do makeup like that. Like, I don't do makeup on camera because it turns out like this. Like, I don't even like this right now. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay, well, I don't know if you can see that, but there's highlight there. And then I will sometimes go in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder, and I'll just put this all over my face. I don't know if you're supposed to, but that's what I do, and it just kind of gives me color, especially because winter I get really, really pale. So I go on again with my non-brand, off-brand brush from Amazon. If you're wondering what it's called Best Dope. I don't know, I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm just gonna go over my face with this. And just, cause sometimes I feel like it doesn't even come off on the brush. Like, oh, I think it does. Just go through my face. I probably should have put this on first before I did my highlight, but it's okay. Okay, next I have my Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray from NYX, and it looks like this. I believe I'm finished, right? I have to put on my lip gloss before I do this. So this lip gloss I got from my beauty supply store. It's a hydrating lip oil, which everyone has clear gloss. I feel like you can get clear gloss anywhere. This is probably so cringe. Like, I feel cringed out right now. Like, I'm saying words I don't usually say. Like, what's wrong with me? Okay, so I'm now going in with my setting spray. So I'm gonna just try to do this as graciously as I can, because we do hair, we don't do makeup over here. Okay, ready? I'm so extra. Okay. Calm down. Okay, one more for good luck. Okay. I think I'm done. What do you guys think? Is this cute or not cute? I don't think this is cute, to be honest with you. I don't know. I feel like I could have done better. I think I did better in my previous video because I did this off camera and I'm under pressure with you guys watching me. So I don't know, like, this is just a basic natural faced look, like no makeup look. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, you're probably still not watching, but it's okay. You know, one day someone will appreciate me, maybe not. I'm just joking. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy your quarantine, and I'm gonna be coming out with more videos soon, so make sure that you stay tuned and that you like this video and you comment and you share it and you subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, so later.